Good day, everyone. Today I'll be showing you practically how to repair peeled screen legs in any kind of phone, but I'm using a 2160 itel 2160. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Please don't forget to follow my page so when next we drop a new video, you get notified. Thank you. If you look closely to those peeled legs, you will see that they are connected to small place like this, that is circle. There are some places that are very tiny circle. You look at them, you trace it where they are connected from, then you will use razor to scrape it properly. Then you use lead, as I am doing now. You use lead, then you will use inductor wire. This small wire is inductor wire. I can tell you where you can get this wire from. It's a small inductor wire. You connect it, then you use razor to cut it. All those peeled legs, you connect them one after the other. You take your time to connect them using that inductor wire. You connect them one after the other. Okay, you take your time. You make sure you arrange the inductor wire properly. Okay, use paper sellotape to cover those lines so that the wire will not shift. Alright, then you now scrape it. You scrape the inductor wire so when you place your screen, it will connect. When you place your screen and put lead so that it will connect. You scrape the inductor wire carefully. Then that's the screen we are going to put. Okay, you put lead in the screen so it will be easy to solder. You take your time, you look closely. Don't allow the wires to shift. Don't allow the inductor wire to shift. Make sure you arrange the wires. You take your time to solder it properly. Take your time. Make sure all the wires you connected are there. You have soldered them all. Make sure you solder them one after the other. You take your time. Okay, that is it. You on it. Boom. Phone is working. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.